Introducing Excel Life Smart by Legrand, a complete suite of smart switches and power points that allow you to control your home using voice, touch, or your smart device. Part of the award-winning Excel Life range, these wiring devices have been a staple in Aussie homes for over a decade, and now they add a little smart, making your home more convenient, energy efficient, and secure. Excel Life Smart can be used to create schedules and scenarios tailored to your routine by activating lights and appliances, as well as other compatible smart products. Leave home with a simple press of the wireless master switch to ensure all lights and appliances are turned off. Receive alerts and take action from anywhere in the event you've forgotten to turn something off. Remotely turn on lights for extra security, or turn off appliances consuming large amounts of power to improve energy efficiency. Excel Life Smart is affordable, and the simple installation can be carried out by your licensed electrician. Plus, you don't have to spend money upgrading existing lights or appliances. The Home and Control app is compatible with all digital assistants. Add a little smart and bring value to your home with the affordable range of Excel Life Smart wiring devices by Legrand. Legrand, improving lives.